we're looking at a 20th century bound geographical review journal. It was a quarterly journal in its day. It's in this beautiful period, half leather binding with marbled boards, marbled end papers, like so, and 4 quarterly issues. We'll flip through it to show you there's a profusion of photographs, scholarly articles, folding maps, diagrams, black and white, smaller maps, tables, and so on. It just goes on and on and on. We'll list some of the articles. Here's one on a journey through North and I think it is Central Australia. Yeah, Central and North Australia. There's tidal or oceanography related map here. This one is types of tides around the world. And there's a Northern California article, a long article by Admiral Byrd, where he did aerial reconnaissance and did this very detailed, no doubt the very first detailed mapping of this part of right here, the southern continent, like so, the Antarctica, iceberg, so to speak, Arthur Sulzberger Bay there. I believe that's the New York Times publishing family, I think. And let's see here, submarine valleys. Here's a large, very large folding. This is very interesting because this is an aviation, actually, early aviation-related map. And this one here is experimental air navigation of the Pittsburgh-Cleveland area, and it was done. What's interesting is there's an emphasis upon the aviation aspects, and because the key here points out military airports, Department of Commerce, airway lights, beacons, and rotating lights, airport lights with flashing, airport lights with code lights, lighthouses, lookout towers, heights of airports. Yeah, it's basically an aviation map. Let's see, this on a bond paper. So, yeah, agriculture, and so on. Wonderful compendium, and this is now available online from me, Brian DeMambro.